Toyota is set to unveil the Land Cruiser ROX concept at this year's SEMA Show in Las Vegas, offering an open-air, adventure-ready reimagining of its iconic SUV. The Land Cruiser ROX, which stands for Recreation Open Experience, was developed by Toyota's Calty Design Research in Michigan, building on the classic open-top Land Cruisers of the past. This concept merges Toyota's rich off-road legacy with a modernized design crafted on the base of the all-new 2024 Land Cruiser 250. The team modified over half of the original vehicle to create a rugged, open-top model with a reinforced structure, delivering an immersive outdoor experience. Custom skeleton doors and a sliding soft top blur the boundary between the cabin and nature. The ROX boasts extensive customization, featuring a widened track with forged aluminum control arms, a 4-inch lift and independent suspension, tuned by Toyota Racing Development, TRD. A triple-bar roof rack and integrated MOLLE panels offer ample storage, while high-lift bumpers with D-rings ensure durability. The vehicle's spring green exterior, heritage orange leather accents, and 3D printed door sills add a nostalgic touch. We asked Toyota, and our question to Toyota was straightforward. Does the ROX hint at a production version of the Land Cruiser pickup, or was the comment merely a nod to the high level of craftsmanship that went into this one-off concept? A Toyota spokesperson told us, "We have no official statement on this topic, but SEMA is an opportunity to learn and test concepts. The Calty Land Cruiser ROX is a concept vehicle, and we will see how the world reacts to it." It's not a confirmation, but they're clearly not shutting the door on the idea either. If the ROX concept sparks enough public interest, a production Land Cruiser pickup might just be on the table.